Hey y'all! Welcome to our channel where we love taking something old and making it new again, something drab and making it fab. And that's what we're diving into today. We've got 10 tips to make your home the kind of place you never want to leave. So grab a cup of something warm and let's get started.
First things first, let's talk lighting. Think soft, warm-toned bulbs instead of those harsh, bright ones. And don't be afraid to layer your lighting. A mix of table lamps, floor lamps, and even some twinkle lights can make all the difference. Picture this: a cozy reading nook with a floor lamp casting a warm glow, a few candles flickering on the side table, and maybe even some fairy lights strung up for a touch of whimsy. So ditch those bright overhead lights and embrace the warm glow.
There's nothing quite like snuggling up on the couch with a cozy blanket on a chilly evening. Am I right? Adding soft textiles like blankets, throws, and pillows is like adding an extra layer of love to your home. Think plush textures like velvet or faux fur, chunky knit blankets, and an abundance of pillows in different shapes, sizes, and patterns. Don't be afraid to mix and match. A vintage quilt alongside a fluffy faux fur throw can add so much character and warmth. Imagine stepping out of bed onto a plush rug instead of cold, hard floors.
Now, I'm a firm believer that every home needs a touch of nature. Bringing the outdoors in is like bringing a little bit of that fresh, calming energy into your space. And one of the easiest ways to do this is with houseplants. Plants not only add a pop of color and life to your home, but they also purify the air, which is a win-win in my book. Start with some low-maintenance options like snake plants or ZZ plants, and don't be afraid to experiment with different sizes and varieties. Think wooden furniture, woven baskets, stone accents, or even a jute rug. You know what makes a house a home? The people and the memories we make within its walls. So don't be afraid to infuse your personality and your story into your decor. Display those family photos, frame those kids' drawings, put out those little trinkets you've collected on your travels. They tell your story and create a sense of warmth and belonging.
Have you ever walked into a bakery and been instantly enveloped by the warm, comforting aroma of freshly baked bread? Our sense of smell is so powerful, and it can have a huge impact on how we feel in a space. So why not create a signature scent for your home? Light some scented candles, use essential oil diffusers, or simmer some spices on the stovetop. And don't forget about fresh flowers. A vase of colorful blooms can instantly brighten up a room and add a touch of elegance.
Alright y'all, let's talk furniture. When it comes to creating a cozy and welcoming home, comfort should be at the top of your list. Invest in pieces that make you want to sink in and stay a while. Think a plush sofa with plenty of throw pillows, a comfy armchair for reading, or even a cozy window seat where you can curl up with a good book. Remember, your home should be your sanctuary, a place where you can relax and recharge.
Just like layering throws and pillows adds visual interest and cozy vibes, layering your decor can have the same effect. Think different textures, patterns, and heights to create a dynamic and inviting space. Mix and match different fabrics like linen, velvet, wool, and cotton. Layering your decor adds depth, dimension, and visual interest to your home, making it feel collected and curated over time. Clutter can be overwhelming and make a space feel chaotic, so it's important to create a sense of order and calm. Invest in stylish storage solutions like baskets, bins, and shelves to keep things tidy. Utilize vertical space with wall-mounted shelves or cabinets.
You know how much I love a good neutral palette. Warm, earthy tones like beige, cream, brown, and muted greens create a sense of calm and serenity. These colors create a sense of grounding and connection to nature, which is essential for creating a cozy and welcoming atmosphere. And don't be afraid to add pops of color through your accessories. Throw pillows, blankets, artwork, and even fresh flowers can all add personality and visual interest to a space.
Last but not least, let's talk about sound. Just like scent can have a powerful impact on our mood, so can sound. Playing soft, soothing music in the background can create a relaxing and inviting atmosphere. Heavy curtains, rugs, and upholstered furniture can all help to absorb sound and create a quieter, more peaceful environment. Well, there you have it, y'all. 10 tips to make your house feel like a home, a place where you can relax, recharge, and spend time with the people you love most. Remember, creating a cozy and welcoming home is all about embracing the things that bring you joy and surrounding yourself with warmth, comfort, and love. Thanks for watching. We hope you found these tips helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this.